NANJING EFG Company Limited was established in 2003 in Nanjing, China. Oriented by customers' demand, we have quickly expanded to the international market with strong customization capacity and premium quality of fiberglass and polyester non-woven materials. Having been dedicated to the fiberglass and polyester non-woven materials for 16 years, NANJING EFG now has deep insight into market demand and industry trends both at home and abroad. We are able to make specific analyses on all properties and applications of the products that the customer demand and are ready to respond to each customer promptly. With a professional technical team, we provide comprehensive product solutions that can help customers develop their new products. From customer inquiry to packing and delivery, NANJING EFG provides professional and meticulous services throughout the process, bringing extraordinary cooperating experience to customers all over the world. According to the specific demand of customers for product performance, we choose suitable non-woven material as base material to be coated with various materials, so as to get additional advantages such as water resistance, flame retardancy, thermal insulation, sound absorption, UV resistance, mildew resistance, and so on. All these properties allow the non-woven materials to be widely used in building materials, filtration, electronics, chemicals, aerospace, automobile, and other industries. In addition to fiberglass non-woven fabrics, NANJING EFG also provides a variety of waterproof membrane-based material, such as fiberglass mat with the wet layout process, spun-bond polyester mat, and composite mat. The mat can be further reinforced by fiberglass yarn or fiberglass mesh to get higher strength according to customers' requirements. Over the years, NANJING EFG has skyrocketed in industry upgrade. We have accumulated rich high-quality resources in the industry. By integrating with resources from many domestic highly capable manufacturers, we have developed a variety of high-end fiberglass non-woven products. NANJING EFG guarantees high quality is built in each row of fiberglass fabrics. We have introduced industry-leading experimental equipment to strictly control product quality. NANJING EFG always believe that quality is the foundation of a company's survival. Our fiberglass products comply to the standard of ISO and SGS and have been approved by China National Fiberglass Quality Testing Center.
In the past 15 years, NANJING EFG have been dedicated on developing and marketing the fiberglass non-woven materials, continuously trying to offer the customers better service and comprehensive product solutions.
NANJING EFG has been focusing on the R&D and sales of fiberglass non-woven products for more than a decade. We are committed to becoming a first-class supplier in the industry by providing more premium and more convenient services and all-in-one solutions.